What up, you guys? So today's episode we're gonna be reviewing, well, not reviewing, but like obviously my McLaren battery is currently dead. So because it's dead, I bought this here. So this is the NOCO Booster HD GB70, as you can see over here. GB70. It's kind of dark, but that's what it is. I may put a picture on the screen so you guys know exactly what I'm talking about. So it is a battery booster. So for any of you with the McLaren or with any car per se, you can use this to boost your car. This retails for $320 with taxes. Obviously with Canada with taxes, it's going for $361. It's almost $400. So once you get this is the second box I actually got. The first box pretty much didn't work out because you have to charge the battery, this battery, in order for you to boost it. So what I'm gonna do first is unbox it, then we're gonna go outside and try to see if it's gonna work by me boosting my car. So that being said, this is the box. That's what it looks like. It has 2000 amp and it's for 12 volt. So it says it's ultra safe for jumping your car. So hopefully it works on my car. It does with lithium and it does with any other battery. So I specifically got this for lithium battery because that's what you have for the McLaren. So over here it says you use 8.8 liter in terms of gas, up to 8 liter, and then you use up between 6 to 6 liter on diesel. So my McLaren is a 3.8 liter V8. This one is an 8 liter, so you should be able to boost that, no problem. Alright, so let's unbox it. Like, this is what the box looks like pretty much. I don't know if y'all can tell, but that's what the box looks like. It does come with a flashlight. I think it comes with like 3 or 4 different modes of flashlight, which is just at the top. I'm gonna be showing you guys in a hot minute. Yeah, and this is like kind of what it's gonna look like when you charge it. So it's green, and you can also charge your cell phone with it. So you're gonna have it like this, and there's an opening. Or what you gotta do once you unbox it is just lift it up. Easy. Once you lift it up, so remember to check this little space here. Alright, this little space here, that's pretty much what it shows here. Cool. Now I believe they've been doing this since 1914, and this is by NOCO, like I said. So to unbox it, it's over here. So you have this here, you have this opening here, and if you check on this other side, it's kind of flat, so easier to open. So I'm gonna open this real quick, and I'm wearing my jacket because like I have to go out to go boost my car. So once you open it, you greet it with, not with the bag because I already opened this just to charge it, so I pre-charged it already. But anyways, you get this bag. So this bag here comes with it's a NOCO bag, and it comes with all what you need in order for you to boost your car. I'm gonna open this just now, but I'm going to show you guys the battery, what it looks like. I'll put this aside. It's kind of warm already because I already charged it. I believe I charged it for like 3 hours to get full charge. 3 hours. And you have the manual. Nobody really goes through this. I ain't going to go through it. When you buy it, you can go through it. No stress. But keep in mind, like I said, it costs $400, about $400. So, anyways, so here's the battery. This is a GB70, alright, and it's a NOCO Booster HD. So this here, as over here, you have this question, this mark here. That is to manually override your boost in case it doesn't recognize your battery. So in order for you to like boost your battery based on instruction that I know, if you push the power button over there, so you hear that clicking noise, and right now, as you guys can see, it has 3 bars. Then you have the green, that means it's fully charged. So what you do is you connect this before you even power that up. Alright, so once you connect this, then you push this on. So that's gonna, like, the lights are gonna be going from one side to another. So from red, then orange, then green, so that's saying detecting the battery, and then you can go start your car. So it's, in a nutshell, that's how it works. So we're gonna put that in the test and see if it works. I'm gonna turn that off. There's two ways you can charge this battery pack. First, you have two openings here. Okay, you have out and you have in. So in order for you to charge this battery, you're using the in port to charge it. So you have two ways to charge this. You have a USB, which I'm going to show you guys just now. So obviously this is the bag and it comes with all this stuff. I'm going to put that over here. So it gives you this. I don't know how to use this. If you guys do know, leave it down in the comment, because I don't know how to use this. So I straight up did this. Use this here. This male, plug it into the female. I plug into my car and then came over here. So obviously over here you have the in and you have the out. So I use the in. So the in is where you normally charge the battery. So you plug that in, boom, then take this end, plug into your car, done thing. 3 hours, you should be good. If it doesn't work, then go change it, return it, burn it, do whatever you want to do with it, but it's not working. You can try for days and it's not gonna work, unless if you have a magic spell, then yeah. Then you have this USB here. This USB is another way to charge it, so you can charge it overnight at home, whatever. So all what you have to do is you have this USB on this side over here. If you guys can see in production, I'm gonna zoom in for you guys. So you use that little shit over here and then dump it in here. Alright, but it doesn't come with a power. Okay, so you're gonna need a power block to use this. So whatever you want to use like a 10 amp. It's gonna help you out, but I haven't used this yet. I used this first on my other one that I got first and it didn't work, so I'm just showing you guys what I did. Anyway, so that's that. So you have this out and you have in. I'm using the in. Out is to use, you have a USB, which that USB you can be charging your phone, iPad, whatnot, but it's a USB. Then you have this other side where this here, this female goes in here on this side, and you're supposed to plug this here. It goes with this, and then you plug this. So I guess this is supposed to like, I don't even know. I ain't even gonna try to say I'm a tech guy, so that's all what I gotta say. So now what's left is we're gonna go out there and go try it out and try to see if it's actually gonna boost my McLaren. So for any McLaren owners, because that is out there looking to boost your car, I couldn't find any video, so maybe this video is gonna help you guys. Okay, so this is what I'm using. Alright, so we're going out and then we'll see if it's gonna work. Alright, YOLO. Alright, so right now over here I still have the window a little bit rolled down. It's not completely all the way up. So the car is currently locked. There's still power in the car. I think it has about 10% battery. So I'm gonna unlock it. So as you can see, it still works. It's on trickle charger. So let's get it. So if you go in, on the left you're gonna see it says battery low. Yeah, so it says battery low. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna unplug it from the trickle charger and then try to start it first. So that being said, over here, so in here I'm gonna try to flash the light so y'all can see a little bit more what's going on in here. So that's the battery. You have the negative over there and you have the positive. So the way you can tell is you have it over here, you have the minus and then you have the plus right there. And I was using this here. It was connected to the battery but it didn't work. So now I'm using the trickle charger. So I'm just gonna unplug it and then try to start the car. If that doesn't work, then we're gonna use the other battery, the battery booster. So First off, I'm gonna check to see if we'll have power. Alright, so it does come on, but we don't have enough power to get it. If this is battery low, I'm gonna try to see how many percentage of the battery we have. But first I'm gonna try to start it. So you see? It's minus 14 degrees right now. And I'm gonna check what's the percentage of the battery. Yeah. Alright, give me a sec. Yeah, I really don't know why. So it's at 6%. So it keeps juggling between 6 to 10%. And I can't turn it off unless once I close the car, once I like put it down, put the doors down, then I'm gonna turn off the car. Then that should be able to shut this down. So let's try this real quick. Alright, so that's in max it goes, so let's see. So that shuts that off. Everything is pretty much shut off. So I'm gonna turn it on. It's on. Now, we're gonna use the battery booster. So like I said before, you want to, it's fully charged, so we use the negative. And then the positive. Alright, so that's a good sign. Then we're gonna just push it. So right now, it's detecting the battery. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna go try to start the car and see if it works. If that doesn't work, I don't know. We'll see. Let's hope it works. Okay. That didn't work. Let's get in there. Way better than before. So I'm gonna turn this off. I'll turn it back on, then I'm gonna manual override it and see if that works. So let's see. It does come with a flashlight like I said before. Okay, I think it's pretty much clamped. Alright, let's try this one more time. I'm gonna give it a few seconds and then we're gonna try it again. If this doesn't work, I may have to call somebody here. I don't know. I'm gonna try it one more time. Guys, still nothing, yo. Alright, let me check the battery status. It's at 4%, so the battery went down. So no, that doesn't work. Okay. That's kind of draining the battery, I believe. So guys, that didn't work. We're gonna reserve in putting it back on the trickle charger. And whew, it's too cold for this shit, yo. Holy. Alright, back to trickle charging. So pretty much what I feel like I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave this for a couple more days and see what it does. I'm gonna call McLaren or call somebody to see if I could get any other advice. But this year, it pretty much detected the battery. It didn't work. Let me see. As you guys can see, I do have full charge, so there's no reason for this not to work. And it has 2000 amp, so it doesn't work. I used the manually boost, that didn't work either. And it's freaking cold. It's minus 15 degrees right now. This car is very sensitive. It's been sitting here since Sunday. Yeah, since Sunday. It's been in the same position. The battery died on Saturday. It died, I believe I had like probably 19% of my battery, and it just locked me out. Like, it shut off. So what we're gonna do is leave it here a couple more days up to Sunday. It's gonna make it a week, and if nothing happens, if it doesn't do anything, then I'm probably gonna call McLaren and see what they say about this, then go from there. Because I don't think the battery is dead completely. So, and you can't jumpstart this with another car. You're gonna fry it out. So I hope this helps somebody that have the same problem like I do. But if you guys have any idea or any solution on what I should do, leave it down in the comment below. With that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. Alright?